An Introduction to Artificial Intelligence compiled by Howie Baum. Artificial intelligence (AI), sometimes called machine intelligence, is intelligence demonstrated by machines in contrast to the natural intelligence displayed by humans and other animals such as learning and problem solving. In computer science, AI research is defined as the study of intelligent agents, any device that perceives its environment and takes actions that maximize its chance of successfully achieving its goals. How are humans intelligent? Learning, reasoning, problem solving and creativity, social behavior, experiencing our environment with our senses, hearing, sight, touch, taste, and smelling. Ways that people think and learn about things. If you have a problem, think of a past situation where you solved a similar problem. If you take an action, anticipate what might happen next. If you fail at something, imagine how you might have done things differently. If you observe an event, try to infer what prior event might have caused it. If you see an object, wonder if anyone owns it. If someone does something, ask yourself what the person's purpose was in doing that. This is what humans do best. Can you list the items in this picture? A computer might have trouble identifying the cat there. Can you count the distribution of letters in a book? Add 1,000 four-digit numbers? Match fingerprints? Search a list of 1,000,000 values for duplicates. This is what computers do best. Artificial intelligence (AI) is the study of computer systems that attempt to model and apply the intelligence of the human mind. For example, writing a program to pick out objects in a picture. When we compare humans to machines, it is important to note that a machine can be a car, a smartphone, a digital television, etc. The illustration below illustrates a typical information flow between the human and machine components of a system. For a properly designed system, it's important to know the capabilities and flexibilities of both. Key research areas in AI: problem solving, planning, and search. Generic problem solving architecture based on ideas from cognitive science, game playing, robotics. Knowledge representation to store and manipulate information, logical and probabilistic representations. Automated reasoning, inference, to use the stored information to answer questions and draw new conclusions. Machine learning, intelligence from data to adapt to new circumstances and to detect and extrapolate patterns. Natural language processing, to communicate with the machine. Computer vision, processing visual information. Robotics, autonomy, manipulation, full integration of AI capabilities. From Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars, artificial intelligence (AI) is progressing rapidly. While science fiction often portrays AI as robots with human-like characteristics, AI can encompass anything.